A lot of people are posting on Instagram and then just disappearing. And that's one of the biggest mistakes I see because Instagram is not just about content, it's about community. If you want your content to perform better, you need to support it with engagement. Here's a simple routine you can start using every time you post. First, switch to your following feed and spend a few minutes engaging with other people's content. Comment on new posts and be intentional with what you say. Second, go through stories and reply to a few that actually catch your attention. This builds real connection and keeps you visible. And third, when your post starts getting comments, reply to them. Don't just like them, start conversations. You can even pin one to guide the discussion. The algorithm pays attention to interaction, but more importantly, people do. So if you want more reach, more engagement, and more unlimited results, do not just post and ghost. Build community alongside your content.